Hi, hello everyone. This is Kanishka. Welcome you all to Interra Systems. Let's look at what we are showing today. So we're showing entire product line. As you know, Interra Systems is a leading solution provider for content quality assurance. Uh, what we are showing here is our complete portfolio of real-time monitoring solutions for linear as well as OTT workflows, as well as our Baton file-based QC solution. Let's look at a typical broadcasting, streaming media, linear media workflows. So at the source content, at the content preparation side, you have all the live as well as VOD source content coming in, which goes through a transcoding stage. Then it's packaged and passes through a DRM for rights management. Then moves on to the content distribution side, where all these assets are pushed to the origin server and then pushed to CDN for distribution across the globe, and then it reaches the end consumers through an ISP. On the linear side, a similar workflow where content gets repurposed, and then through satellite transmission, it goes to the various home consumers. Now, when you talk about the VOD assets, the source file or the transcoded adaptive bitrate files can be QC'd using our leading Baton file-based QC solution. Then when these assets, when these files are published onto the origin, they become VOD assets which are accessible through a single URL. Now here, Orion OTT solution from Interra can take this URL as an input and download the underlying variants, each segment, each frame of underlying variants, and do various types of checks on them. The checks that Orion OTT will perform are various ABR validations, various URL validations, HTTP related checks, all the content quality related checks such as black frames, freeze frame, blockiness, or various audio silence, loudness related checks, various metadata, various subtitle and closed caption related checks. And then it will immediately alert if there are any errors found. Talking of the live streams, when the content is at the source stage, in the content preparation stage, all the live streams are in the form of transport streams. So our Orion real-time TS monitoring solution monitors them in real time, all the transport streams that are coming in at the content preparation level. Pre-transcode or post-transcode, it will check for errors like whether post-transcode EBP boundary, encoder boundary points are put correctly or not, so that the packager gets the right information to do the packaging. And then when these live assets are published onto the origin, then again, Orion OTT takes this URL as input and performs a real-time monitoring. It does all the URL validations, ABR checks, etc., all in real time, and gives you alert in real time for all different types of live assets. The same thing, the same Orion OTT when published, when this probe is installed at the CDN level, it monitors the same different types of checks for live as well as VOD assets at CDN. Also, through our partners who provide us the end device SDK, Orion OTT EPM module, end device performance monitoring module, can also monitor in real time the live sessions of each and every user who's consuming your content. Through this, and all of these probes are consolidated at the central manager layer, which helps you in isolating the error introduction point in the entire content chain. So through this, Interra proposes an end-to-end QC as well as real-time monitoring solution for streaming as well as linear media, and helps you improve your content's QoS and QoE. Thank you.